All parties Hurriyat conference have expressed its grave concern over the plight of illegally detained resistance leaders, activists and youth languishing in jails and interrogation centers of India and occupied Kashmir. APHC spokesman in a statement issued in Srinagar said that despite the deteriorating health conditions of the Kashmiri political detainees, the fascist jail authorities have turned a deaf ear to the genuine demands of the prisoners to provide them legal and medical treatment as per the jail manual. All parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter has said that India cannot suppress the freedom sentiment of the Kashmiris through the use of brute force. APHC AJK leaders Imtiaz Wani, Ijaz Rahmani, Sheikh Muhammad Yaqub, Mushtaq Ahmad Butt, Zahid Ashraf, Javed Jahangir and Manzoor Ahmad Shah in their separate statements issued in Islamabad lamented that India was increasing the number of troops to prolong its illegal rule over the territory. The main purpose of Articles 370 and 35A revocation by the Modi regime is to settle outsiders in the occupied Kashmir. A report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service today said that Modi was imposing a systematic demographic change in the Muslim majority territory by selling land to the outsiders. It said 185 outsiders have bought land in the 3 years and the Modi regime has also admitted it in the parliament. Jammu and Kashmir National Conference Additional General Secretary Sheikh Mustafa Kamal has said that the revival of democracy in the territory is imperative to achieve peace. Sheikh Mustafa Kamal, who met with a number of public and worker delegations in Srinagar, expressed concern over the absence of local officers from the bureaucratic setup of Jammu and Kashmir. Bodies of 2 persons, including a young boy, were found in 2 different districts of the territory. The body of an unidentified man was found lying near Sindh River behind the Imperial Resorts in the Sonamarg area of the Central Kashmir's Ganderbal district. Another body of a missing teenage boy, Akib Chaudhary, was found near Bela Bridge in Rajouri town. All parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir Chapter Information Secretary Imtiaz Wani has said that India will never succeed to suppress the Kashmiris' freedom sentiment through the use of brute force. According to Kashmir Media Service, Imtiaz Wani in a statement issued in Islamabad said that India was increasing the number of its troops to strengthen its illegal hold on the Jammu and Kashmir.